Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sparky Divas. So if you're wondering why I have put my pics in the beginning of this video, it's just that I just forgot to shoot the intro for this video, and so I have to put some of my pics so that it won't look weird. And please bear with me and forgive me as well. And moving on to, as you all know that I wasn't regular to uploading videos, it's just that I had severe acne problem, so I could not make videos in that time frame. And as you can see how severe my acne was, and to get rid of those acne I have been using this mask regularly in the night, and this mask really helped me to get rid of acne and acne scars. And if you use this mask daily, you will see tremendous change in your skin. You will get rid of acne and acne scars with this mask. To get rid of acne, you have to also make sure that you drink at least 2 to 3 liter water daily and apply this mask in the night. You can leave this mask for overnight, or you can rinse it off in just 20 minutes. But if you leave it overnight, it will work best that way. And if you wanna see how I get rid of acne and acne scars, then please keep on watching. But before jumping into the video, please make sure that you click on that subscribe button and that cute little bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And please give it a thumbs up. It costs you nothing, but it means a lot to me. So let's jump into the video. So to make these packs, you will need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I have just taken it up, and together with 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Here I am using Patanjali honey. You can use any raw honey or honey. And I'm just gonna be adding 1 capsule of vitamin E in it, and mix both of the ingredients until they form a brown paste of uniform texture, and then apply this mask onto the fresh clean face. Cinnamon helps to treat the acne. It contains cinnamaldehyde, which is a chemical with antibacterial property. Cinnamon can be used to kill acne causing bacteria. Cinnamon is very successful in stopping acne causing germs. The most significant property of cinnamon is that it increases circulation, bringing blood and oxygen to the surface of the skin where it is supplied. Combination of cinnamon and honey can help to treat and prevent stubborn acne. They both are full of antioxidant and they have antibacterial properties. Honey is anti-inflammatory and it can soothe and moisturize your skin really well. And I have also put vitamin E in it, and vitamin E is really helpful to get rid of those blemishes and acne scars. It's really good to removing those acne scars. This paste is very thick, so I prefer to use my finger to apply this on my face, just because it will not get settle onto the bristle of my brush. That's why I use my fingers to apply this mask. You can apply all over your face this mask. It's really moisturizing, and cinnamon really helps to get rid of acne and pimples, and as well acne scars, because it has vitamin E in it, and vitamin E is really good for removing acne scars or any blemishes on your face and any scars. That will really help. It looks a little bit sticky. Leave it for 20 to 25 minutes, and after that rinse it off with normal water. I'm just gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes and then I will wash it off with normal water, and I will see you in 25 minutes. So this is how it looks like after 25 minutes. It won't dry up just because it has honey and it has vitamin E, so it won't dry that much. So this is the maximum that it can dry up. So I'm just gonna go wash it off with normal water, then I will see you in just a minute.